for the last 1 month, we have seen fatal accidents on the rise. Whether it is North Goa or whether it is South Goa or whether it is coastal belt of Goa, where there are large number of tourists who are coming in the state of Goa. And these accidents, when somebody meets with an accident, we used to earlier see that the person is taken to the hospital and he gets well, comes back. Very few cases of accident we used to see deaths. But here, for the last month, we are witnessing every day 1 or 2 deaths. And government of the day needs to study what are the various reasons why there are deaths on day-to-day basis. Young youth, boys as well as girls, are meeting with accidents and dying. We have seen day for yesterday, today, last 1 week, last 2 weeks, every day 1 or 2 people die. And we need to find out all the reasons, whether we have widened the roads and they are very smooth and hot mix it, and people are riding very fast, people are riding without helmets, or whether there are some people who are riding without helmets and they see the policemen standing on the road and they are trying to run away from them. What are the reasons? म्हाका दिसता चीफ मिनिस्टर जेन्ना आतां फुडें मिटींग दवरतलो MLAंची, तेन्ना सगळे MLAंनी डिस्कस करपाची गरज आहा. Because people who are dying are not only from my village or my constituency, the youth who are dying or elders also, or meeting with accidents seriously, are from all the constituencies of the state of Goa. We all have to be concerned and worried about this. We cannot do a blame game on this. And all the accident prone zones have to be identified. Boards have to be put. Tinga na, ata tu use look at major district road. Accident prone zone na tuka board khunchorot discho na. Tu maka dakoi accident prone zone ahead. Na, you go out of the state. When you are crossing the state, you will find at least 50 to 60 accident prone zone boards. I have seen. When you are going towards Karnataka, तुका 30-40 तरी वाटेरूच मेवतले. Drive slow, accident prone zone ahead. Cross road ahead, drive slow. Speed limit तुका बोर्ड दिसतले, सगळे दिसतले. पण आमचे गोंयांत म्हाका दिसता जवळशे बोर्ड ना. पंचायत आनी आमचे म्युनिसिपॅलिटी आनी ऑल्सो गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ द डे चड पयशे पडचे ना तेका. पडन कितले जातले? 20-25-30 लाख जातले एक डिस्ट्रिक्टाक. आनी दोनूय डिस्ट्रिक्ट म्हणून 50 लाखान जावंक शकता. हे मोडपाची आयज गरज आहा आनी सगळ्याक बोर्ड घालपाची गरज आहा. स्पेशली कोस्टल बेल्टाक पंचायतींनी आपले पयशे मोडूंक जाता. मांद्रे पंचायत, आमचे अंजुना वागातोर शापोरा ती पंचायत आसूं, आमचे कलांगुटान मॅक्सिमम बोर्ड आहा, आरपोरा पंचायत आसूं, कांदोली मॅक्सिमम बोर्ड आहा. All these places should have their boards in place so that the tourist at least sees that there is a speed breaker ahead. 50 meters ahead, 30 meters ahead, there is a speed breaker, there is an accident prone zone, there are crossroads, dangerous turn ahead. हे जेन्ना दिसना टुरिस्टाक और लोकलाक केन्ना अशें जाता, we should put our infrastructure in place. This is what I mean to say. Policani, instead of traffic police, instead of giving challans, stopping and giving challans, even who are having helmets, they are being stopped and given challans. They should stop that and focus on studying this matter. Various junctions, जिंगा 4 रस्ते आहा, 3 रस्ते मेवता, accident prone zone होया, whether there are speed breakers, where there are no signboards. Identify such accident prone zone spots, identify such places which do not have boards, signages, proper signages. All these things needs to be studied and government needs to act very fast.